Hi there! Welcome to my channel, The Everyday Miracle. In this short video, I'm going to answer many of the most common questions related to Breathe essential oil. The first question being, what is Breathe essential oil good for? And where do you put Breathe essential oil on your body? And can you take Breathe essential oils internally? So I'm going to help you feel confident when using your essential oils. If you truly want to grow your knowledge about Breathe essential oil, keep watching this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Hey there, I'm Denise Ari, and I love using and educating others about essential oils. doTERRA's Breathe is one of the most popular essential oil blends due to its powerful uses and benefits. Well known for its ability to maintain feelings of clear airways, doTERRA Breathe is enriched with a series of oils that help cool and invigorate, promoting feelings of easy breathing. doTERRA's Breathe essential oil blend can be used both aromatically and topically to help minimize the effects of seasonal threats. This powerful blend can also be used to promote peaceful sleep. doTERRA Breathe is a blend of peppermint, eucalyptus, melaleuca, also known as tea tree, lemon, cardamom, ravensara, and laurel leaf that emits an airy and fresh mint aroma. Feel the direct effects of doTERRA's Breathe essential oil blend when you apply it topically. For best results, apply doTERRA's Breathe to your chest and inhale deeply and experience a cooling, invigorating vapor. This application will also help you maintain feelings of clear airways. So, some of the most common uses for doTERRA's Breathe essential oil blend include: 1. It provides a natural solution to help minimize the effects of seasonal threats. When you are experiencing the shifts of the season, diffuse doTERRA's Breathe essential oil in your home or workspace to lessen unwanted effects. When loud noises are keeping you up at night, or if you're experiencing trouble falling asleep, diffuse doTERRA's Breathe for a calming effect that promotes a restful night's sleep. The fresh and minty aroma of doTERRA Breathe will fill your room, allowing you to remain calm and enjoy a night of rest. 3. When environmental or seasonal threats are high, use doTERRA Breathe to help reduce their effects. There are many quick ways to use doTERRA Breathe when these threats arise. You can apply a few drops of Breathe to the palms of your hand and inhale it directly, just like that. You can also rub doTERRA Breathe on your chest or the bottoms of your feet. So the fourth great way you can use it is doTERRA Breathe essential oil blend can help maintain feelings of clear airways and easy breathing. When you feel like you have a tight throat or are experiencing difficulty breathing easy, rub it on your chest and kind of throat area. And then 5, the change of seasons can be especially felt when outdoors, right? So if you're a hiker, a camper, backpacker, or outdoor enthusiast, don't let seasonal change diminish your nature experiences. Instead, apply doTERRA Breathe essential oil topically before venturing out. doTERRA Breathe will help reduce the effects of those seasonal threats so that you can more fully enjoy your outdoor activities. And 6, blend doTERRA Breathe with your favorite essential oils and diffuse them in the diffuser of your choice. The aroma of doTERRA Breathe is minty and fresh and will have a calming effect on those that experience its airy scent. So now, are you wondering just how to use Breathe Essential Oil? The 3 common ways to use essential oils are, first, by diffusing. This is the fastest way to get oils to the brain. Just place 4 or 5 drops in a diffuser of your choice and turn it on. The second is internally. So add 1 drop to 4 ounces of water or liquid and drink. Now keep in mind, you always want to make sure when ingesting an essential oil that you check for this on the doterra bottles for the supplemental facts label, because if it doesn't have a supplemental facts label, it is not okay for ingestion. Okay, and the third way to use essential oils is topically, and this is the most common way of using essential oils. And what you do is you take 1 or 2 drops of your oils, add some carrier oil such as the fractionated coconut oil, and apply it to the desired area. Now always keep in mind that you could have possible skin sensitivities to these essential oils, so make sure that you're diluting oils generally before applying them directly to your skin. Also, keep all essential oils out of the reach of children, and if you are nursing or pregnant or under a doctor's care, consult your physician. Avoid contact with the eyes, inner ears, and sensitive areas, and avoid sunlight or ultraviolet rays for up to 12 hours after first using the product, just to ensure that you don't have sensitivities. So if you are ready to use Breathe Essential Oil, visit me at theeverydaymiracle.com/ready-to-go or email me at denise@theeverydayMiracle.com. Discover how great it is to use Breathe Essential Oil. Now, if you've enjoyed learning about Breathe Essential Oil and know of someone who could use Breathe Essential Oil, share this video with them. And let me know in the comments below how you are using Breathe Essential Oil. Thank you so much for watching me today and joining me on my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, check out my other essential oil videos, and if you want to know when new videos are coming out, subscribe to my channel. And I will leave you with this. Always remember, you are divinely protected and divinely directed by Spirit.